how to make text move in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to make text move in CapCut. So let's get started. First, you have to open CapCut application on your device. After you open CapCut, from there, you'll have to open any project from where you want to make the text move. Alright, in my case, I have opened this random image and from the section, I will add some text here. Alright, after you add some text here, you will get this type of interface. From here, to make this text move, you'll have to use a keyframe. For that, you'll have to select that text box here, and after you select it, at the top, you'll have to tap on keyframe icon. From the section, after you tap on that, a red icon will show at the beginning of that text box, and after you tap on that, you'll have to come at the last position, and from here you'll have to just try to or make that text box move wherever you want to move that text. In my case, I will randomly move this text to the below, and after I move that text box, I will have to just exit from here, and after you do this, you'll be able to easily move the text on CapCut. So this is the easiest and simplest method to move any text on CapCut. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.